Let's get to the point. Masarap ang off-menu drink sa post-ceremony cafe, yung chocolate popcorn latte nila. By the way, walang coffee ito. It's the barista drink of Kent, one of the talented baristas there. By the way, very fashionable ang staff ng post-ceremony cafe. And let's be honest, this is not a sponsored post. I paid the 205 peso cost of this. It has oat milk, chocolate, and popcorn flavor. The drink actually reminded me of my time in New York when how some New Yorkers put chocolate in their popcorn while watching a movie. I hope they put this as a permanent part of their menu because masarap siya. Mas masarap siya kaysa sa ex ko. Speaking of masarap, masarap din mag-selfie dito. Look for the viral sunset wall light. Also look for their video projector wall. Lakas maka-emote na parang Moira music video. Speaking of Moira, ako lang ba ang tumitingin sa kawalan pag kumakanta siya? By the way, meron din silang bagong vinyl record player. Iba talagang sound ng vinyl than digital. May kaluluwa ang sound. Click follow for the next story.